Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. I want to do a quick shout out to channel members. Thank you all very much. And thank you for anybody who comes through to check out the knife EDC content. Today, we've got a weird one. This is one that I found at GP Knives. It's not an odd or but I say rare knife. It's a value knife. It's something that when it first came out, let's just look at it. It's not my normal jam. I'm going to use my little Amazon titanium folding razor knife to get into this. And I warn you that I don't know if I'll know how to operate it right off the top of the bat. We're going to have to work with it together. Let's see what we got in here besides peanuts. Bear with me, guys. See if there's anything else in the box. There is. Trying to not shower peanuts everywhere. All right, so we got the little wee roll. I don't really know what this is. I'm sure maybe it'll go in the giveaway tonight. Let's see. Little wee knife roll, not a bad one if you're just going to be, carrying your knives around. I'm going to put this back in here, because I think we will make this part of tonight's giveaway, the roll. So stick that over here. Big energy, big knife energy. Yes, guys, this is the Civivi adjustable push dagger. The Typhoeus C2 1036-4. Green aluminum handle, black stonewashed 14C 28N blade. John, why did you buy this knife? I really do not know, except for I was intrigued by the Wii version, but I wasn't going to spend that amount of money on it. So fast forward, we have Civivi doing what Civivi does so well, like they did with the Vision FG, is they have come out with their version, right? Several versions, actually. I saw this in G10. I saw it in this aluminum that I got. I saw it in another color aluminum that I got. But let's get into it. Let me get this out of the way. We'll take our Big Energy, Big Life sticker from GP Knives and we'll stick it over here so that it'll go in a giveaway. And let's look at this Civivi Typhoeus? I might just call it the adjustable push dagger. See, I like it. That's kind of my jam. The thing I don't like about it is it doesn't go in the sheath that way, right? So this is the Typhoeus. That's how it goes into the sheath. Let's do this. Get some of the Earl off it. Now there's a trick to, I've watched Jared Neves videos and he can manipulate this thing really, really easily. It doesn't have a lock. Nothing locks it out. But again, your hand locks it out, right? So if I'm holding it like this, as long as I keep my finger pushed back here on the spine like I would when I'm cutting, if I go too far up here on the blade, you can bend it, but you've got the finger choil that's going to keep it from cutting. However, if you put your thumb anywhere on top of this aluminum G10, it's absolutely solid. And then with a little flick, and you hold it like this, it's very, very comfortable in your palm. I've never held a push dagger before. I'm not comparing this to any past push dagger experience, but I will, and I don't think I need to leave a link to Jared's video, but if y'all watch Jared Neve's review of this knife a few days ago, you'll see that he put it in the push dagger form and he punched a piece of plywood several times. So I can tell that the back or the spine of this knife that becomes the handle that fits right here in your palm is a very absorbing if you're using it as a poking tool. Me personally probably would use it more like that, but before we even, let's get some paper and see how sharp it is. I'm expecting this is more of a blunt tip or a thicker blade. I was wrong. All right, this is 14C, 28N. It's very sharp. Short blade. This is just an unboxing. I will do a full review on this knife after I've carried it to give you kind of my full thoughts. But it was so out of the ordinary of what I would consider a candidate for a knife in my collection. I think a lot of what made me buy this knife is, I want to say, guys, and I don't really remember, I bought it at GP Knives. It was well under $100. The G10 version, which looks just as good, they had a purple one with a stonewashed blade that I almost bought. It was like, I want to say 60, because again, the concept to me is innovative, right? I mean, again, if I could have one wish, it would be that it had a way to carry 99% of the time like that and not like that. So I think Jared said when you put this in, you always want the C on the Civivi facing back towards the sheath. And then you simply put it in, see it fits perfectly in there. You've got that little clip, you've got a belt loop, you know. So it is a small knife. I will carry it. You guys know that that's not my favorite way to carry it, but at the same time, it's effective, right? Because you break it out, if you need to get it in a quick fashion, right, you're probably having somebody trying to take your Slurpee. But if you're just taking it out to use as a knife, it's just as easy as rotating your hand right there. As odd as it is, as much as it's not my normal jam, I'm sure I'll cut myself with it, just because I can tell the way I'm playing with it that I've got a lot to learn to get it really finessing. But I'm a fan, guys. I don't know if it's something that I would go out now and buy the Wii version for a couple of $100, but I'm stoked that Civivi offered this knife, just like I am that they offered the Vision FG, because it's some of the, I think, more cutting edge engineering or design out there, and I think it's welcome. I'm stoked to have it. Just to give you a quick little size comparison sheet there, that's the baby banner. That's really all I got out here. Well, I can see that I'll reach in my pocket. And I've got the PT207. But guys, this is the Civivi Typhoeus. And this model is the C21036-4, the green aluminum handle with the black stonewashed 14C. The aluminum is more expensive than the G10, but they offer both, right? That's what's great about Civivi. You can find one if you like the design that fits your price point and the way that you like your knife to look. So guys, I appreciate you checking it out. This is an unboxing. I look forward to giving you guys a full review once I've kind of checked it out. But I hope everybody has a fantastic rest of this Friday. I hope you guys are able to come by and check out Friday Night Flicks tonight. We'll be having a decent time. I think we'll have a great time. I'm going to do my best. I know we'll have some stuff that'll be fun. That'll be, kind of thankful, me showing thanks to you guys. But most importantly, thank you again for coming by and watching. And please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. And always choose debate, not hate. I love y'all. Peace.